was, were. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the verb to be in the past. Was, were. Was. We use was with the pronouns I, he, she, it. For example, I was excited. The negative form of the verb is wasn't. I wasn't excited. Wasn't is the contraction for was not. He was at school. She wasn't at school. It was a beautiful night. It wasn't a beautiful night. When asking a question, we put the verb first, followed by the subject. For example, was she okay? Were. We use were with the pronouns you, we, they. For example, you were brilliant. The negative form is weren't. You weren't brilliant. This is a contraction for the word were not. We were late. We weren't late. They were buying shoes. They were so cute. Again, when we're asking a question, we put the verb first, followed by the subject. For example, were you okay?